Hi guys, this is Fairway Tita and we're here in another episode of Q&A with Fairway Tita. Also questions on how do I deal with the I want to quit feeling after I have a bad round. Actually guys, before there's a time, actually yung first time ko nasa driving range with coach, I really wanted to quit already kasi hindi ko matira yung driver ko. But then, syempre pinigilan ako ng mga kaibigan ko. And then, I just, had one-on-one lessons. And then, after nun, parang yun, I got hooked. So, sometimes naman, when I have, a bad game, how do I deal with it? Ito trivia guys, super. So, for example, in a tournament, lalo na when it's in Valley, when there's a tournament and I really didn't play very well, I usually just what I do is like I eat dun sa tournament. I just eat fast and then I will I will escape and then I will do 9 holes again dun sa course just to parang get that feeling, get that frustrated feeling out of my body and parang check, parang get that feeling na ano yung tamang shot ko para lang matanggal yung frustration ko. So guys, pag nakita niyo ako sa isang tournament tas nawala agad ako, hindi ako after kong kumain, malamang guys, masama yung laro ko at bumalik ako sa course at naglaro ako ng 9 holes. So yun yung isang trivia guys na pag nangyayari sa akin, pagka-bad yung round ko. Also then, sometimes also when I'm just practicing after 18 holes and I feel na parang may pangit dun sa laro ko, sometimes I do another 9 holes. No judgment guys. Please don't be judgy, okay? Because I just wanted to go home feeling na okay, feeling natanggal yung frustration ko. Kasi feeling ko guys, pag hindi ko yung ginawa, pagdating ko sa bahay, I feel so frustrated and I get so irritable. So parang kailangan malabas ko yung energy ko, yung frustration ko sa course bago ako umuwi. And I like the feeling na parang okay kapag ka umuwi ako. So, and during those extra 9 holes, I like evaluate and re-examine parang what is the mistake I did, ano yung dapat na ginawa ko. So, parang I wanted to get the feel kung ano yung tama. So, no judgments guys. So, usually that's how I deal with how I deal with a bad round. So there's no I want to quit feeling. Actually, it's the opposite. I play more when I have a bad round, which is okay then, meaning when something goes wrong, I don't quit. Quitting is not now part of the vocabulary sa mind frame ko in golf. And in life as well. It's when something goes wrong, I go back and focus even more and try to improve more. So I guess that's also one golf life lesson that I can share with people is that similarly in our life, when something goes wrong or not as planned, let's put aside that quitting na concept and focus more on what happened, evaluate, re-examine, and learn from what happened, and then improve more